Hello traders, this is the EURUSD monthly chart. As you can see, EURUSD is in downtrend since 2008 and it crossed its trend line on 3 August on 20 and it making support on this line. As you can see, this support is intact till yet, and on weekly basis this support is intact on weekly basis till yet, and you can see on RSI is in on bullish move, so you can buy on EURUSD and wait, I will tell you the price. And on daily basis the price is making correction. Let's draw a parallel channel which clear yes. On 4-hour basis I buy euro at 10350 approx, and it hit my SL on some profit due in late night. On 1-hour basis it is consolidating, and you can see RSI making lower low, and I think price will go to this level 1.09924, and I will buy also again on this level. So if you like this idea, please subscribe and join my Telegram channel. And you want to open a forex account, you can also in India, you can also open in OctaFX through my link. Okay, safe trade.